Hello friends, for today's trading I have selected only two stocks, LT and NTPC. So let me tell you the reason why I have selected only these two stocks. So let's start with LT. I have already drawn some structure on the chart, you can clearly see. But before selecting any stocks or any instrument for trading, I always look for current dominating pressure. So this word is actually frequently used by me in my videos. So that means I want to explain you this word in very simple word that uh, dominating pressure means who is dominating. That means who is controlling the price. There are two type of contender in this stock market. First is buyer, second is seller. So before going for any trade, you need to be or you have to be very confident that who is controlling, because emotion is going to work against you in the market. So you have to be uh, firm what is going on in reality. So that is why it is very important to know who is controlling the price as of now and with how much power. Who is controlling and with how much power. This is also a very important thing, because the stronger the party, the more chances that you will be in the winning side. So let's back to our regular videos. Dominating pressure in this stock is buyer or buying. It is clearly visible. So as a trademark of uptrend, I have drawn some trend line. You can clearly see. So this is the starting of the uptrend line. So it's uptrend, then it retraced, uptrend and retraced. So yesterday on 13th October, LT was actually trading in a range, but interestingly or more fortunately, that this trading range was created on the upper side, and this was actually and indication of that buyers are more powerful. This is how you recognize how much a party is having a power over controlling the price. So this build-up was actually the sign of the power of buyers in this stock. So they are not allowing the price to go down. So they are having better control as compared to the bears. So as soon as the price in the morning went up or the breakout was happen, I started waiting for an uh, buy signal, and that buy signal came when high of 915 candle was broken. So this is not actually a kind of a rule or uh, you can say indicator based setup. This is the market or market telling you, or consider you can consider the current scenario. So as soon as the 915 candle high was broken, I have entered on 18, sorry, on 1782 was my cost price, and 1812, that is 40 points, or sorry 30 points was my target. So it has gone to 1820, but I was exited on 1812, because 30 points against you can clearly see 68, 14 was my stop loss. So 14, 13, around more than 1:2 risk reward ratio, and that was enough because of the heavy weightage of this stock. If stock, even if it will correct, then there will be a possibility to hit my stop loss. So the bigger the stock, so bigger should be the stop loss. but in my scenario stop loss was is very less, even if less than it's 1%, it was only 14 rupees. So you need to cut down your targets. That is what I done today, and I booked profit in today in LT. So again I repeat, dominant pressure in this stock is buying. Build-up was formed around the above level, and that was an indication of the power of the buyers. And as soon as this build-up zone was broken, price started trading higher with more than expected volume. So it was a clear indication of go for long in this trade that I have done and book profit and get out of this stock. So this is story of LT today. Now move to NTPC. NTPC, I have already drawn a very nice W pattern that was formed yesterday. So that is a clear indication of winning of buying. Actually, this kind of setup you or anyone expect on you can say like when existing trend was a downtrend, but this is the live market. What you read, what you learn in the book, that will not actually come as it was taught to you. So you can expect that phenomena or that scenario that will come anywhere. So you need to interpret whether it is wrong or right based on that scenario. So in my case, it is very clearly visible that dominating pressure in this stock is buying. First region, W pattern was formed. There was no build-up form in this stock C yesterday. But as soon as this pattern was broken, a very good and strong build-up was formed today in the morning. From 9:15 to 10:30, I was waiting for the high that was broken of 940 candles. So I have also booked profit in this stock today, and 1:2 risk reward ratio I got in this stock today also. So this is the reason, analysis, and the result of the trades of NTPC. So again I am repeating, dominating pressure in this stock you can clearly see is buying. From this corner to this corner, price is moving up, so buyers are dominating. Second, what kind of setup is formed in previous trading session? So W pattern is a very reliable pattern that was formed. So I actually stick for a buy call in this stock, and a build-up was formed in today morning, and that was a confirmation to go for long in this stock. So that is what I have done today. So this is about the NTPC and LT. So the lesson that I have learned today is that don't or don't expect from market that uh, it will actually move as per our analysis. Adjust your analysis as per the market, how the market is moving. So your study, your analysis, your interpretation will be will be dependent on the current fluctuation of market, current scenario of market, and what is going on in the market as of now. So this is all about today's trading, friends. Thank you. Keep watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you find my analysis is good and if it is helping you to learn the price action. So please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.